Hey guys, Travis from ChordBuddy here. Had a Facebook question: can ChordBuddy be used to fingerpick? The short answer, yes. The longer answer is, if you're a beginner, start with a pick. Always start with a pick and learn our 5 rhythms that are on the DVD and in the book before you start finger picking. You need to build a foundation first and then move up. But short answer, yes, you can finger pick with it. In fact, I'll demonstrate finger picking style over Let It Be by the Beatles. And by the way, there are many, many finger picking styles, just like there are many, many strumming styles. So I'll actually do 2 on this. One will be on the chorus, a pinch, where I'm pinching the top and bottom and then picking, and the other one would just be a very simple 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, singing words of wisdom. Let it be. Pinch here. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be, Lord. Let it be. Singing words of wisdom. Let it be. All right. So yes, the answer is you can finger pick, but please start if you're learning with a pick. And work your way up to finger picking. Always send your questions. You can message us at the ChordBuddy. Tell your friends to like our page, and you can send me an email to travis@chordbuddy.com. travis@chordbuddy.com. Until next time, I'm Travis from ChordBuddy. You keep on a picking.